People are throwing shit at him and everything. Don't worry, Marshall, go in. Stealing the bike. Oh! I'm so glad my car's not down there. Yeah, someone's rung them. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Get the marshal in. He's stealing that bike. He's stealing it. He's stealing it. Holy shit, THAMESMEAD, bruv. Holy shit. He was the only one brave enough to come out though. Shit. Yeah, I'd be moving my car too.
Yeah, fucking too.
He's got his fucking things out. I told you I could hear someone cutting something. It's alright, baby. Can you Marshall? Mummy, what's going on? No, they've run off, but they've left the bike on the middle of the road. Because someone chased them.